Welcome, everyone. In today's video, I like to showcase the books that I think every real estate investor should read. The books listed in the video are not ranked and their selection is entirely personal. If your personal favorite is not on my list, please let us know in the comment section. At the bottom of the video, you will find the list of the books and an affiliate link through which you can purchase the book and support the development of my channel. Of course, this is not obligatory, but let's start the video. 1. The first book on the list is The Book on Investing in Real Estate by Brandon Turner. Who is Brandon Turner? He is a real estate investment entrepreneur who created the largest online investment community, BiggerPockets.com. He created his first real estate investment at the age of 21, but since then his real estate empire has grown very rapidly with the help of creative investment strategies. The focus of the book is not on the thickness of the wallet, but rather on sharing real estate investing techniques which you can make more deals. Just think about it, there is a myriad of offers in the real estate market that prove to be too expensive and thus delay the deal. This problem exists for both novice and experienced real estate investors. In this book, Brandon Turner introduces the reader to financing methods used by professional investors in current market situations. By mastering this knowledge, it will be much easier for you to thrive in real estate investing, whatever your strategy. Brandon Turner's teaching does not focus on cash, but rather on creative financing methods. The reader can learn about the following concepts. We can learn the process of the idea of investing in which we do not need money. The book outlines strategies for novice investors to help them make their first investment in the absence of experience or money. There are many real estate investing strategies we can learn to develop your creative thinking. From the book, we can learn about financing methods through which we learn to attract investors and partners. Plenty of billionaires and millionaires are waiting to make a promising investment. Like all investment methods, this one has its drawbacks, but the book describes them and shows us how to eliminate or recover these problems. You will find strategies about wholesaling, flipping, rentals. 2. The second book on the list is The Millionaire Real Estate Investor by Gary Keller. Gary Keller is an American entrepreneur and writer at the same time. His name is associated with the creation of Keller Williams, one of the largest real estate investment companies today. The Millionaire Real Estate Investor is one of the best real estate investment books of all time, representing the wisdom and experience of many investors and entrepreneurs in all walks of life. Each of these investors acquired financial wealth and achieved financial independence and freedom. The language of the book is easy to interpret and shares with the reader the best investment methods and strategies. The credibility of strategies is determined by more than 100 investors who has achieved financial independence using these methods. The knowledge that is found in the book is a tool that endows people with the necessary patience and perseverance with wealth. As you read the book, you can learn the following. We gain insight into myths that keep people from investing and making money. We can then gain insight into the mindset of millionaire investors. Teaches you to develop well-established criteria for identifying large real estate investment opportunities. We can learn how to get the best deals possible. Provides insight into creating a team that can help us build our business. With this book, you can discover how millionaires and billionaires think and act. 3. The third book on my list is One Rental at a Time by Michael Zuber. Do you like the concept of passive income? If the answer to this question is yes, the next book is a must-read for you. This book shows you how to achieve freedom by owning real estate. Renting real estate provides a passive income to the owner of the building. This kind of strategy results in freedom in the long run. Think about it, we can accumulate so much passive income through real estate that we can fully cover our expenses. You can learn about this strategy by reading this book. 4. The fourth book on my list is The Book on Estimating Rehab Costs by John Scott. At the beginning of John Scott's career, he held management positions at several major companies, among which it is important to mention Microsoft and eBay. They then quit their corporate jobs with their wife in 2008 and travel east and then start a family. The next step in their lives is real estate investing. They buy real estate across the country, but at the same time renovate, sell and lend. Thus, the couple amassed approximately $60 million in wealth. In addition to real estate investments, he is also an author, which covers the aforementioned topic. The books have sold more than 200,000 copies worldwide. The book on estimating rehab costs explains to the reader how to estimate the cost of renovating a property and provides a better view of property rehabilitation. John Scott shares with the reader how his well-proven framework works, which follows a fix flippers method. It describes your personal experiences, making the operation of the methods obvious to the reader. The book focuses on cost planning and the basics of building renovations, i.e., cosmetic renovations, upgrades, or complex installations. It actually draws the reader's attention to detail to make sure your potential profit is certain during the work. As you read, you can learn the following: the property is surveyed in all respects and then the renovation goal is determined. You can decide which improvements are the biggest improvements for you, gain insight into the most common renovation processes. Identifying, learning about, and solving big problems, detailed pricing for renovations to help you establish an accurate renovation cost. Identifying the entrepreneurs that are best at remedying certain problems. 5. The fifth book on my list is Crushing It in Apartments and Commercial Real Estate: How a Small Investor Can Make It Big by Brian H. Murray. Let's take a look at Brian Murray's career. He founded a company called Washington Street Properties in 2007 and bought his first investment property that year. Importantly, Murray's firm, without the involvement of outside capital, set up a badly recognized real estate investment and asset management firm. His company won the Golden Stevie Award in 2014 and then doubled it in 2015. This was done by Washington Street Properties for 5 years as the country's fastest-growing private company Inc. It is on the 5,000 lists. Also, Brian reports in the media: CNN, PBS, CBS, MarketWatch, Wall Street Journal, New York Times. Crushing It in Apartments and Commercial Real Estate: How a Small Investor Can Make It Big complete is aimed at small investors. Brian's work has proven that real estate investing isn't exclusively for the big boys. As far as his SAC is concerned, Brian was a teacher who earned some extra income. This advanced one of the best real estate investment strategic reports of all time, today is used by many real estate investment companies. It provides readers with useful advice and shares their personal experiences. Not only can Murray's teaching be applied in a privileged position, but they also work excellently with an average salary. With the help of the book, the reader can learn the following: how to find commercial real estate and creative financing for these real estate. How to increase real estate by minimizing debt and external investors. What are your advantages as a small investor over corporate investors? Mastering practical methods that maximize income and minimize costs. Share your own life experiences and lessons learned. This book gives you the knowledge you need to start investing in real estate as a small business owner. We've come to the end of my list. I hope I could help, and this video will serve as a guide for your investments. I would like to ask you to like the video, and if you would like to watch more investment related content, please subscribe. Thank you for your attention.